Mayhem, right? Yes, sir. Team Mayhem. Let's get it. Yes, sir.